DIY number 1 is a simple Valentine's garland using heart doilies I picked up from the Dollar Tree. I simply just weaved ribbon through the top, and in just a few minutes I have a garland. Here's how I used my garland in the entryway, but this would also look nice on a fireplace mantle or on a hutch or on a sideboard. I didn't do very much decor in my kitchen this year, just some heart-shaped mugs from Pottery Barn that I picked up from the thrift store and some candy hearts. For the second DIY, I picked up these cute little Valentine's embellishments from Michael's. And I bought this pack specifically for the conversation hearts, but these hearts with the little strawberries are so cute. So I may do something with them. I am using candlesticks that I thrifted, and I'm just going to use some Mod Podge to add the little conversation hearts to it. Family room, I have a little conversation heart display using the wreath that I recently made, which that video is linked right here if you missed that. And these conversation hearts here were from my recent Dollar Tree haul. So the next DIY is using 3 of these Dollar Tree frames. I loved these frames and I knew I could make them look vintage. I'm also going to be using some vintage rose prints from this book, but you could always print something off of the internet as well. I made a mixture of 50-50, mixing the brown and the black paint, and then I also mixed it with some water so it's kind of like a glaze. I just heavily applied the paint into all the little nooks and crannies, and I worked in sections, and then after each section I just used a paper towel to wipe back the amount so that it gave it the look that I was going for. Now if you want it darker or lighter, you would just wipe more off or add more layers. And I just did this and I continued all the way around until I got the look that I was going for. So for Valentine's Day, I'm going to be using the roses, but I plan to switch the prints out for like bunnies or birds or something like that in the springtime. To give the prints a canvas look, I'm going to paint some Mod Podge in a crisscross pattern all over the print. And when it dries, it leaves a nice textured look and it kind of looks like canvas. I hope I gave you some quick and easy DIY ideas that you can use for your Valentine's decor. And if you enjoyed this video, I would so appreciate it if you would give this video a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe if you haven't already so you don't miss my future videos. See you guys next time. Bye.